Imagine trying to understand a movie by watching only one frame at a time. Individual sentences are like frames, essential but insufficient for grasping the entirety of meaning. This is where discourse processing enters the stage. Discourse processing delves into the way sentences connect and interact to convey a complete message. It's about understanding how language works beyond the sentence level, uncovering the hidden threads of meaning that weave through paragraphs, conversations, and entire narratives. Just as astronomers study the interactions of celestial bodies to comprehend the cosmos, discourse processing allows us to explore the intricate relationships within language. By venturing beyond individual sentences, discourse processing opens up a universe of understanding, enabling us to grasp the full richness and complexity of human communication. Imagine a puzzle where each piece represents a sentence. Individually they hold some meaning, but it's the way they fit together that reveals the complete picture. This is the essence of coherence in language. Coherence refers to the logical flow of ideas within a text, ensuring that sentences connect in a meaningful and understandable way. Consider these sentences. The telescope observed a distant galaxy. Astronomers were thrilled. We understand that the astronomers were thrilled because the telescope they were using made a significant observation. This implicit connection, this unspoken relationship between sentences, is what makes a text coherent. Coherence is the invisible hand that guides our understanding, ensuring that language unfolds in a logical and meaningful progression. Language is full of shortcuts, ways to avoid repetition and maintain a natural flow. We use pronouns like he, she, and it to refer back to previously mentioned entities. These linguistic shortcuts are called anaphoric references, and they play a crucial role in discourse processing. Reference resolution is the task of identifying the entities that pronouns and other referring expressions point to. For example, in the sentence "the telescope observed a distant galaxy," it was breathtaking. The pronoun "it" clearly refers back to the galaxy mentioned earlier. This process might seem straightforward, but it can become quite complex. Resolving pronouns accurately in such contexts requires a deep understanding of the relationships between entities and the overall discourse. Reference resolution is like detective work, piecing together clues within the text to establish clear connections between entities and their mentions. Section 4. Cohesion, weaving the tapestry of text. If coherence is the logical glue of language, then cohesion is the intricate tapestry woven from various linguistic threads. It encompasses the grammatical and lexical links that bind sentences and paragraphs, creating a sense of unity and flow. Pronouns, as we've seen, are one such thread. Conjunctions like and, but, and because act as bridges, connecting sentences and revealing the relationships between ideas. Substitution, using words like one or do to replace previously mentioned elements, further enhances cohesion. Each of these cohesive devices contributes to the overall coherence and readability of a text. Section 5. Discourse structure, unraveling the threads of meaning. Just as a symphony has movements and a play has acts, discourse possesses its own inherent structure. Discourse structure refers to the way information is organized within a text, revealing the hierarchy of ideas and their relationships. Common discourse structures include listing, chronological order, cause and effect, and problem and solution. Recognizing these structures is crucial for understanding the author's intent and extracting key information. Just as a conductor interprets the structure of a musical score, discourse processing aims to unravel the threads of meaning within a text by identifying its underlying structure. By understanding how information is organized, we gain a deeper appreciation for the message being conveyed and can extract insights that might otherwise remain hidden. Section 6. Building blocks of understanding applications in NLP. Discourse processing isn't merely an academic exercise, it's the cornerstone of numerous real-world applications that shape our interactions with technology. Chatbots. Understanding the flow of conversation and resolving references is crucial for creating chatbots that can engage in natural and meaningful dialogues. Text summarization. Identifying the most important information and summarizing it coherently relies heavily on discourse processing techniques. Search engines. Going beyond keyword matching, search engines utilize discourse processing to understand the intent behind queries and retrieve more relevant results. These are just a few examples of how discourse processing is transforming the way we interact with information and technology. Section 7. The universe of discourse, a final word. Just as the cosmos is best understood by studying the interactions of celestial objects, language reveals its true depth and complexity through the lens of discourse processing. By venturing beyond individual sentences, we unlock a universe of meaning, uncovering the hidden connections that shape our understanding. From the logical glue of coherence to the intricate tapestry of cohesion, discourse processing provides the tools to unravel the threads of language. It allows us to navigate the complexities of reference, decipher the structure of discourse, and ultimately, grasp the full richness of human communication.